Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Margaret, and if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by tapping on that subscribe button below. From red, it will turn gray once you've successfully subscribed, and tap on that notification bell as well so that you will be aware of new uploads. And if you're watching this from Facebook, don't forget to like and follow by hitting that like button in the page. And also you can add my page as favorites so you can be one of the first to watch my newest videos. Today, I'll be promoting the UPERD anti-drowning life-saving device, which is being sold by Higher Sport in LAZADA. So this life-saving device comes along with two CO2 cylinders which come along free when you order the life-saving bracelet, which in a bit I'll be showing to you guys. So when you receive the product, it will come along with a LAZADA box, of course, and it will be packed in multiple plastics. So you know, I'm an eco warrior. I really hate plastics, but that's what they have available in their shop anyway. So after removing 3 plastics from the box, you will see this. It is actually safely sealed, so you need to remove first this hard paper material covering the wooden box. So I really love how they encase the product. It's encased in an elegant wooden box. So this is the box, and it has prevent drowning embossed. I don't know if that's the right term, on the box, on top and at the side. So this is when you open, you will have a manual, which is in Chinese and in English. So when you have the manual, you can start from page 9 until the last page, which is 16, for the instructions on how to use the product. So when you open the product, you will see the bracelet, and inside are the 2 CO2 cylinders, which is going to be free. So I won't be having the luxury of showing you how this product is going to perform underwater, but I'm going to include a few clips in this vlog on how it was tested by the previous manufacturers of the product originally. So this is how it looks like. It does look like a carbon fiber material. That's how I see it. Usually carbon fiber fins, leader fins, usually look like this, but I'm not really sure if this is carbon fiber material. Anyway, so this is the part where you insert the CO2 cylinder. You can also buy the CO2 cylinder whenever you run out of it in their shop, and 4 pieces of the cylinder is 750 pesos. That's a 50% off, which they originally sell for 1,500 for 4 cylinders. And they deliver by 3 days upon request. Okay, going back to the product, when you open this, unlike the other life-saving devices, you don't need to unscrew. You simply need to remove up. Okay, this is how it looks like inside, and you will be placing this part here, the smaller part of the cylinder, onto that hole. Once you have the CO2 cylinder and the life-saving bracelet, you insert the cylinder to the bottommost part of the bracelet and twist clockwise until it won't rotate anymore. There you go. And then place back the cap. There you go. All right. And then there's a watch-like strap here, somehow similar to the sports watches, and they have underwater compass included on the wrist strap. Alright, so you actually have an option. If it fits your arm, then you can put it here, or just simply put it on your wrist. Okay, so that's it. The strap goes here, and on how to activate the life-saving device is to simply pull this portion here, but I'm not going to waste my CO2 cylinder for that. I will show you another video clip on how it was done underwater on this video, right? So again, recap, get the CO2 cylinder from the box, which is inside this box, and then open the cap and then put it inside and make sure to rotate clockwise until it won't turn anymore, and then put it back, put the cover back, and then put it on your wrist, wherever is comfortable for you. So I'm right-handed, so I love to put it on my left wrist so that it's easier for me to control the life-saving bracelet. Again, if you want to buy this is the U-Part anti-drowning life-saving bracelet with CO2 cylinder. Inside is an inflatable airbag, which you can use outdoor for swimming, for freediving, for scuba diving. This is self-rescue. This is 750 pesos. And they have currently a promo which is 50% off of the original price, which is 1,500 pesos. Alright? So, once again, you can see this in the Higher Sport shop in Lazada. I can put the shop link in the description box. Standard delivery again is 40 pesos, but it really depends as to where you are located here in the Philippines. So, thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much Higher Sport for the trust. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button to show your support. If you have any questions further about the product or the shop, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And if you wish to support my channel, please do hit that subscribe button in my YouTube channel and that like and follow button in my Facebook page to show your support. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next vlog, lovies. Bye!
My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.